So this is after like an extensive amount of cleaning, and it's still terrible. But you know, we were gonna get greasy no matter what.
That's right.
Right? And look at this! Look at this! Look at this hose. This is about 2 times the size it should be.
It might have been expanded a little bit, but yeah. Customer didn't want to replace it. He has a hose, but.
What are you gonna do? So, oh, look at this fucking JDM turbo. No, it's not JDM, is it?
Well, it might not be, but it's still.
I mean, it blows things.
It's fairly good. So oil started running through it like crazy.
Right. Oh, dude, this was just caked in grease. We didn't even know it was rippled like this.
Yeah, that's right.
It was so bad. This is bad too. But
really bad. We got the power washer out and we fucking hosed this thing down. We're just trying to save ourselves from all the grease.
We got the redneck cold air intake. That's not cold whatsoever. It's just sitting next to the It's just sitting next to the hot turbine housing of the turbo.
Hey, it's still cold.
Look at this. Look at this. Yeah, I think this was red once.
Turbo.
Yeah.
So you do the math. I mean,
yeah. I mean, I think
there's math involved.
He would have been better stock, right? Over here.
Might have been.
Yeah. So this is pretty cool on diesels. If you guys didn't know about diesels, here's the injection pump, and this is where the fuel's getting jammed in. And if you look, they're right next to the spark plugs down there, or they're not even spark plugs; they're glow plugs.
Nope.
And
that's right.
Like pretty much when you want to make big power in these things, you just cram as much fuel into it as you can, and
they only need those on startup. Just the heat plugs, what are they called?
Oh, well no, they gotta warm up. That's
right.
What, you gotta wait for them to warm up. Like when you turn the key, you gotta wait for it to warm up, and then you can start it when the light goes away. All the new ones, you don't gotta do that. Look at this manual boost controller. No, it's not.
It might be, but
no
it's
idea.
Kind of disconnected.
No idea. Yeah. Fucking all the boost.
We'll find out.
All the boost. As long as turbo. I mean, I like building.
Yeah,
muscles.
turbos are nice.
All muscles fun to work on. Look at the 2 batteries. That is awesome.
That is a redneck modification right there.
No, that's how they came stock.
Yeah, no.
Yes, it is. That's how it came stock.
We got our little triple charger up front, so
Google.
Gotta keep
that's
them
how
up.
They came stock. That's how they came stock. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
One is run the engine, and one is to run all your accessories and stuff. Because these have plugins. These have 110 plugs out.
They do.
Like that for when you show. But that's pretty awesome. It's just because these things need all the cold cranking in the winter time.
Has to put up with some.
I'm excited to see what this turbo is, because this might be our turbo. If it's still good,
hey, right?
Yeah, I mean, we'll boost something. I mean, I'll boost a go-kart if you guys will let me.
That's what they were gonna use my little Toyota turbo that's sitting over there.
The JDM Toyota?
Yeah, the JDM Toyota.
Straight JDM markings, and what are the compressor wheel on the turbo side?
This might be imported.
Yeah. But it's all gonna work out.
Yeah, definitely.
But
this thing's getting pulled. So.
Yeah, we're about to start tearing it up right now. And
hell yeah.
We thought we'd give you a look at it before, and we'll show you a picture after, I guess.
Yeah, well, I mean, we're going to document it also. It'll all be there. We're going to bring you guys along for the ride. So the sun's going down, we got to go mudding. We got to stick around for that.
Yeah, get ready for the super fast moto. That's about to happen.